Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to do a little quick add feature to a Replen order from your stock editor. So, what do I mean by that? So, I'll log ourselves in, and then as you can see in my replenishment order, I'm going to create a new order just as a little test run. So let's go for that one, just do a blank one, pop that one in there just so I've got a blank one just to show for testing purposes. So, pop you out of the way. So, for example, if I'm messing around in my stock manager and I'm looking at that particular supplier, for example, let's go for that one, go for safe on that one. Right, okay, say for example there's a few of these items and just going down looking for how many times they've actually sold and stuff like that. I can actually do it from this section. Now I can add it straight to a Replen order, an existing one, or obviously a blank one, depending on however you wish to do it. So for example, I was like, okay, I definitely need some of these and we definitely haven't got any of them, and so I can just literally highlight them. I can then go over to special tasks, product tools, sorry, and then we can go click item, add item to replenishment. Click on there, box window pops up then, and then I can literally go on accept, and then it throws one of each of them in there. Obviously, if you wanted to add more, you have to literally click on it again and click on add that one in there like so, and it will obviously continue to carry on adding them to the actual Replen order. It's literally just a quick little new feature we can do from the actual stock editor just to bulk up any of your Replen orders, especially if you're playing around with this a lot and you don't want to switch between the two of them. You can literally just do it straight from here, and there you have it. So if we go over to the replenish stock now and have a look at that order, cool, and there you have it. So they're the items that I've thrown in there as well, and there's the extra item I've thrown in as well. So there you have it. But there you go. Do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for your time. Check us out next time. See you now.